I am Kacey and I am 31 years old, and I had a breast augmentation along with a lift. My goals were overall to just really bring back my confidence. I was in the middle of bodybuilding, so the first thing that left the building was my girls, and so I basically was wanting them to be returned so I could feel, whole again. The day of my consultation with Neaman, I was really nervous. I didn't know what to expect or anything, but he made me feel like I had the choice while also putting in his advice as well, which allowed me to make the best choice for me instead of going overboard. It's his artwork, so he, provides his own opinion on it, but overall, I'm a firm believer in if the artist is doing something, I like to give the artist the full control, and I gave him my trust and was like, okay, I trust you, go for it. And he didn't disappoint me. The procedure has definitely gave me back my confidence. I was definitely struggling with self-image and stuff like that beforehand, and so that was really rough patch in my life. But afterwards, I definitely got my confidence back. I almost feel like I gained a little bit more outside of that. I like getting up in the morning and I like looking at myself. I definitely take a little look and I'm like, all right, girl, you're looking pretty good today. Oh, I recommend Neaman to all my friends. Anytime I hear one of my girlfriends talking about this or that, I'm like, oh girl, you gotta hit up my plastic surgeon. He's top notch, he's the best. And I'm pretty sure I've had at least 3 other friends come and get work done by Neaman, and I love that. If I ever choose to get any more work done, I'm definitely calling Neaman and be like, hey, it's your girl, it's me, I'm ready to come back for round 2. It was a good time, yeah, I definitely come back for sure.